Maximize your productivity. Integrating Zoho Mail with Zoho Workplace. Meet Zoho Mail and Zoho Workplace, the smarter alternative to Microsoft 365. The problem: tired of expensive subscriptions and complex tools slowing your team down? Introducing the solution. Zoho Workplace is your all-in-one platform for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Email that works for business. At its core is Zoho Mail, secure, ad-free, and built for business. Zero ads, full privacy. Unlike others, Zoho Mail respects your privacy. No ads, no data mining. Enterprise-grade security. With enterprise-grade encryption, Zoho Mail keeps your communications safe. Seamless collaboration. Collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations all in one place. Video conferencing built in. Host secure video meetings and webinars without leaving the platform. Messaging that works. Stay connected with real-time chat and channels inside Zoho Workplace. AI-powered productivity. Boost productivity with AI-powered smart suggestions across apps. Familiar tools, modern design, everything you expect. Documents, spreadsheets, presentations, but faster and simpler. Cloud storage. Secure cloud storage with flexible sharing and access controls. Mobile first. Work from anywhere with fully featured mobile apps. Easy migration. Switching from Microsoft 365, Zoho offers effortless migration of your emails, files, and contacts. Cost advantage. Why pay more? Zoho Workplace costs up to 70% less than Microsoft 365. Simplified licensing. One subscription, everything included. No hidden charges. Control and administration. Manage users, permissions, and policies with a simple admin panel. Reliability. Enjoy 99.9% uptime with Zoho's global infrastructure. Integration ready. Integrate with the tools your team already uses. Ideal for all businesses. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Zoho Workplace scales with you. Microsoft 365 versus Zoho Workplace. Everything you need at a fraction of the cost. Want to learn more? Visit our website.